Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody. Right now is a couple of comments on the gold market. So you can see the recent plunge down in fact has accomplished the target that we have discussed within the previous week, and we said that until market won't hit the 1220 area, the 1618 extension of the ABCD pattern, hardly any significant retracement will happen, and will it be possible at all. So right now market has completed this moment. It's 1220 or even 1217 area has been reached. And theoretically, market has accomplished all necessary conditions to show some technical retracement. At least currently, the chances on this retracement exist, and market could show technical bounce. That will not mean some real significant shift in the sentiment, but that will be just a technical response on some significant target. Meantime, as you can see from the comments that comes from the traders, from the open market, they think that the pressure of the purchases when the market decrease below the 1240, 1230 area, as lower market stands, as greater challenges from the purchases appear, especially on the Asian market. So we can see that the premiums to the London in the Chinese market right now increase in the 2 times approximately. So a couple of weeks ago it was around $3. The premiums to the London price, to the United States price. Right now the premium stands approximately at $6. Well, and they think that these premiums will continue to increase and the purchase will become stronger as soon as market will move lower and lower. And this extreme point when the real significant purchase could appear, they call the levels as 1180 or 12 even. So that I just want to tell you that 1180 is the former low on the monthly chart. At the same time, guys, we have the working bearish monthly stop grabber that suggests the taking out of 1180 area. What the kind of the taking out it will be? Well, the market will just wash and rinse the lows, grab the stops and will jump out to the upside, or market will break it truly and will hold below this level. It's very difficult to say. At the same time, guys, we have the working the butterfly buy pattern that's forming on the monthly time frame chart as well. The combination of these patterns suggests that it's really we just can't ignore them, and I think that's really not small chances that market first will reach this area 1180, 12 even. That probably will happen, but I will not be surprised, guys, if we will even get some more decrease action right to the area of 11 even, and even lower, right to the break-even point of the gold mining. That's really could happen. Because right now gold stands under pressure. That's why, guys, in the nearest future we should be extremely careful with the fundamental data. Particularly speaking, we should keep a close eye on the investor sentiment that we will get from the CFTC report. On the previous report we have announced that the open interest have increased significantly, but mostly due to the lock-in positions, because investors have increased as longs as shorts, because net long position hasn't changed significantly, but the amount of the contracts, the amount of the new inflows in the gold market has increased. That could mean that investors have started to open long positions, but as they do not anticipate the ending of the bearish trend right now, they would like to protect for some time their long positions with the some shorts, and they probably will start to close these shorts as soon as market will continue to move lower. But that probably could be the signal that investors partially have started to think about the entering of the market to make the investments in this market, and that in the long-term perspective, maybe in the moderate-term perspective, that could lead to the increase of the then lot long position and partial close and gradual close of the shorts. That's really could happen. That's why I think that the statistics of the SPDR fund and the CFTC reports could be extremely helpful and extremely important for us in the nearest future. Meantime, at the short-term perspective, as I said, market has hit this target, and some bounce could happen. On the 4-hour time frame chart, as you can see, our bet on our stake on these harmonic swings has worked perfectly. So you can see that market has accomplished just harmonic swing retracement and plunged down based on the Fed comments. Simultaneously, it has formed a butterfly. That could become the core of the reversal pattern that could trigger the possible retracement up on the gold market. That really could happen. Whether it will happen or not, we will see. Because if market will fail here, and you know, guys, when if butterfly will fail, it usually fails miserably. It means that if butterfly fails, then in this case, market continues move down with the even greater speed and pace. And what I do not like with this butterfly is the really fast action to the completion point. So that was really fast plunge. The hourly time frame chart, you can see this really significant action. That's why it's really could happen that market will show just minor retracement here and turn to the downside again. It's very difficult to say. So keep an eye on this development. So I think that to speak about possible bounce here on the daily, we need to get some extended pattern here on 4-hour time frame chart. For example, as butterflies become very often the part of the hand shoulders, for example, that could be the hand shoulders, or some sort of the free drive if some another minor butterfly will be formed here. Because pure technically, market has no big reasons to continue move right now to the downside, since the major target has been hit, the major lows have been broken, so market has no closely standing targets right below the market, and could easily just freely show some bounce technical retracement. That's no problem with it. The major question here is whether market will do this or not, because in fact here we do not have any fib supports, just a BCD completion point. Market is not at the reverse sold at on the daily, on the weekly chart, so that's really small and just weak support here. Whether market will choose to make some bounce or not, well, maybe this will happen because today and tomorrow market probably will shift to the Scotland, and gold market, as the major event has happened, I mean the Fed meeting, gold market could just get some relief from the investors. Some positions could be closed just by the profit taken from this recent plunge. So the technical retracement is really possible, but for that purpose we need to see and get extended pattern here. We need to get some really, probably it will be better if we will even get the reversal swing, so market will show this upward action above this top. In this case we could say yes, probably the retracement will happen, the deeper action will follow. If this will not happen, the market will continue to form lower lows and lower highs. In this case, guys, I suggest that we should be ready to the 1180 point with the monthly grabber. So that's our current view on the gold market, but probably we will be able to prepare the better conclusion and better view within the weekend when we will get the CFTC recent data.